Hey, what's up, guys? Whoa, way too bright. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Chips Ahoy, coming at you. We're at the Ottawa airport, just kind of chilling, waiting for my next flight to Halifax. I'm almost there, halfway to home. Let me tell you guys a joke. So, yesterday, on my way home, I was sitting next to a nun on the airplane. It was my first ever nun experience. She was very nice, but she said it was such an exciting time because of the struggles going on in the church right now. And in my head, I thought to myself, but Christmas comes every December. The holidays are all on point. Everything seems to be good. What could be going wrong? Bah! So, arrived last night. Taking off today, heading to my cottage. My parents are doing a show in Shelburn, so I'm going to go watch them, support them, listen to their awesome music. But I am going to see Kiara. Kiara is my dog. She went to university with me. She's the rock in my heart. And she's 16 years old. So for me, getting one more day of seeing Kiara is like the best thing in the world. She means the entire world to me. Quick stop at the Liverpool Skatepark.
How the devil's gonna make me a free man. The devil's gonna set me free. How the devil's gonna make me a free man. The devil's gonna set me free.
I've been down deep Texas, Mississippi State, hoping things might go my way. For every hard-earned dollar I made, that stands a lot, man, just to take it away. Some might say I talk loud, see if I care. Unlike them, don't walk away from my fear. I busted bones, broken stones, look the devil in the eye. I hope it's gonna break this chain. Oh yeah, the devil's gonna make me a free man. The devil's gonna set me free. The devil's gonna make me a free man. The devil's gonna set me free.
Hi, pretty girl.
Pretty bird. Yeah, can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird. Yes, pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Nova Scotia. Why are you so damn beautiful? It's good to be home.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. Our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart, like why we're here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard. It's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together.
So yeah, my parents play in a kick-ass band. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I am going to end the episode right there. But be sure to give me a like down below. Make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell button. I'm producing a video every single Monday. So stay tuned for the next video. It's coming out next Monday. If not something sooner, who knows. Give me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the episode. I do want to do changes to these weekly episodes. I don't want it to feel so much like a vlog. I want it to feel like my edit, my style, whatever it is I'm trying to create. I just want to get better at it. So let me know down below what you thought, what I can do to make things better. If I can do anything awesomer, I'm into it. Anyways, peace out. See you guys next Monday. Adios, amigos.